Hi, in order to understand dividend yield funds, let us first understand what dividend yield is. Dividend yield is the dividend paid per share by a company divided by the current market price of the share. A company simply paying high dividends does not make it a high dividend yield company. A company may pay a high dividend, but if the market price of the share is high, then the dividend yield becomes low. A dividend yield fund is simply a mutual fund which invests in instruments which are known to have high dividend yields. According to SEBI, these funds are open-ended equity schemes which predominantly invest in dividend-paying companies. They must have at least 65% of their portfolio invested in equities. Many investors prefer investing in securities that pay high dividends. This is because dividend income becomes a good source of fixed income for investors. The benefit of dividends is such that even if the returns from the underlying stock is poor, dividend income can make up for the losses. In a dividend yield fund, the fund manager carefully handpicks stocks which not only have high dividend yield but also which may outperform the benchmark index. It is important to know that investors should not solely invest in high dividend yield stocks, as this can lead to poor stock selection. This is because even a cheaply priced company may pay a high dividend. Dividend yield can also be used as a strategic tool for identifying value stocks. Most dividend yield funds have more to do with value buying than dividend payouts. There are some key things to remember before investing in such funds. Firstly, you must invest in a fund based on your risk appetite. Certain dividend yield funds invest in small cap stocks. Such funds may have a higher return in the long term, but also comes with greater risks. So, if you are someone who has a lower risk-taking capacity, you must consider funds which invest majorly in large-cap stocks. Lastly, an investor needs to identify dividend yield funds based on their financial goals. Each fund recommends a different investment horizon or tenure. So doing your own research is important before investing. Thank you for watching the video.